What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Sublime Artifacts. We are here to unbox Spider-Man vs. Venom MAQUETTE by Sideshow Collectibles. 1/4 scale. Let's do this. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here, episode 3, unboxing of this masterpiece, Spider-Man vs. Venom MAQUETTE 1/4 scale by Sideshow. Before we start this, don't forget to subscribe. Just like the usual, we're gonna start with the base. The base is really amazing. I love how they put the nice touch on the base where they put a big bell to where everybody knows if you're a big fan of Venom. It's the Kryptonite of Venom. This is the weakness where sound is being created on the base, where there's like broken building, block of woods, a scattered alien symbiote. Let's go over with the Venom. So he is very humongous, a very nice touch by Sideshow. This statue, by the way, is like a comic. A comical theme, in the comic book. That's how I guess Sideshow got the idea on how they gonna design this. So a really nice touch on the color. Venom has the big white spider scattered or wrap around his body, the muscular arm, the bicep, tricep, all that good stuff. He also got that web shooter on his hand, the back of his palm. It's right there, really nice. Claws are like sticking out, I love it. This statue was designed to have 2 portraits for the Venom, and he got this first one right here where it's, I think, very simple, like teeth are not big or huge and all, but very comical. You got the other one too right here. He got that tongue sticking out, bigger teeth, and then gums were like stretch out and all that good stuff. And the eye is really nice too on this one. So I like this one better than the other one without a tongue, but who doesn't? If you're a big Venom fan, you're gonna love it. Now with the Spider-Man, I love how they designed or sculpted the Spider-Man. For this statue, he's very flexible. Everybody loves that about the Spider-Man. Unfortunately, they only designed 1 portrait for this Spider-Man. He's about to I don't know, maybe hit Venom with his web slinger or web shooter, but not so much. But he's just like acrobatic, like spinning around and trying to lure Venom to this building or something with this bell where he can create sound to weaken him. So very nice touch. I really love how they designed this statue. With the assembling, I had a small difficulty on putting Venom on his left peg, on the left foot of the peg. It's really hard to put it in. You just really have to find that angle. It only has one peg, the other foot doesn't have it, the right one. So whenever you guys installing it, just be patient with it, just find that right angle, because it has the peg and then it has that rod, so it's gonna be difficult for everyone. Spider-Man, he also have one peg with the rod. It goes inside right here. Very, very scary, to install. You would think that, oh, he might fall. He doesn't have any, assist or for his body, for the sculpture. So just be very careful lifting it. I wouldn't recommend lifting the whole piece together. So whenever you guys are trying to move this statue, try to remove Spider-Man first, and then arms of Venom, and then carry it. Okay, like bear hug it and be very careful about it. Because if you look at the piece, it's really, Spider-Man being the acrobatic, it scares you. That's the scary part, and Venom is not even like scary at all. But he's big and he's really nicely painted. Spider-Man is nicely painted also. Again, it's like a comic book. It was based from the comic book, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong, but really nice touch by Sideshow. The statue's height is 22 inches. The width is 17 inches and the depth is 12 inches. So it's really big. Just be very careful whenever you're transporting it to one pedestal or one display box to another, because I guarantee you Spider-Man will fall if you guys are not very careful with it. Also, another thing with the assembly, this tendrils right here underneath Venom and Spider-Man, you just gotta be careful with that too. You gotta lift Venom's left foot first a little bit, and then you have to like tuck it in, the tendrils. You just have to tuck it in really nice and slow. Guys, this statue comes with a really nice art box. When you open the first box and you see the art box, as soon as you see the art box, you're gonna get pumped up, you're gonna get excited, open it and do your thing, unbox, and boom, masterpiece. That is all, everyone. I'm about to wrap up. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Spider-Man versus Venom Maquette 1/4 scale by Sideshow. I'll see you all next time. Sublime Artifacts. Unleash your inner geek. Peace.